analysis of monohybrid cross. Mendel took a homozygous tall plant and hybridized with a homozygous dwarf plant. Then these are the P1 generation. Then he get the gametes of F1 generation. Then he crosses the F1 generation plants in between them to get the F2 generation. These are the male plants, these are the female plants. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t. From here, where he get capital T, small t? Here. And in this, he crosses between capital T, small t and got a tall plant which alleles are capital T, small t. The plant is tall plant, but genotypically they are different. And from this he got the gene for pure gene for tall plant and pure gene for dwarf plant. Then he took the statistical analysis and cross between the capital T, small t, which is a tall plant. And for this he crosses the capital T with small t, which is a tall plant. Then he crossed the small t with capital T. This is also tall plant. Then he crosses the small t with small t. This is a dwarf plant. He took the statistical analysis of monohybrid cross and he got the probable result like this. Three tall plant, each to one dwarf plant. Three is to one ratio. Phenotypically, 3 are tall plant because before that I have already told you, if one contrasting character is present in the gene, then one dominant character gene is, if one dominant character gene is present, then plant is phenotypically express the dominant character. Though the plant tall is one of the dominant character of a plant, for this here both T are present, both tall gene are present. For this is a tall plant. Here one tall, one dwarf is present, but tall is the dominant character and small t is the recessive character. For this the plant is tall plant. Here also one capital T and small t is present. capital T represent the tall plant, small t represent the dwarf character, and capital T is the dominant character over the dwarf character. For this is a tall plant. But here both the genes or alleles are recessive characters, but both the genes are same. For this the plant is dwarf. Phenotypically, 3 plants are tall plant and 1 plant is dwarf plant. Means 3 plants look like tall and 1 is dwarf. The appearance of 3 plants are tall and 1 is dwarf. But if we study or if we see the genetically, here both T are present, here both dwarf T are present, but here 1 capital T small t present, here capital T small t present. Genotypically these are same, this is different, this is different. So the phenotypically ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. Genetically, the phenotypical ratio is 3 is to 1, but we see the genotypical ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. And this is the analysis of monohybrid cross. 70%, 75% are tall plant phenotypically, 25% is dwarf plant. If we take 100 plants, then 70 plants are tall and 25 plants are dwarf. For this experiment, what we conclude that tallness is a dominant character and dwarfness is a recessive character. But genotypically 25% is pure tall, both the genes are tall, and is to 50% is heterozygous tall, small t capital T present, but 25% is pure dwarf. Both the small t are present. Here the phenotypical ratio and the genotypical ratio are both are different, but they look phenotypically they look like similar. Then we analyze the dihybrid cross of analysis of dihybrid cross. For the dihybrid cross, Mendel took two contrasting characters like the yellow round seed, then green wrinkled seed. Capital Y is for yellow, capital R is for symbolized. We took the symbol for capital R is symbolized as round Then green is small g and wrinkled is small r. Like this, he symbolized yellow as capital Y, round is capital R, and green is small g, and wrinkled is small r. Then he took the pure homozygous yellow round seed plant, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Then he hybridized with the pure homozygous yellow round seed plant with the pure green wrinkled seed plant. Then he, in F1 generation, he got capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, gamete. This is the P1 generation. Then this is the F1 generation. Then this is the pure pure heterozygous plant. In F1 generation he got, because here capital Y present for yellow, small y present for green color, capital R present for round seed, and small r present for wrinkled seed. From this, he hybridized these plants to this is the male plant, this is the female plant. Capital Y, capital Y R, capital Y R. Then capital Y small r, small y capital R. Then small y small r. Here also he took capital Y small y capital R, then small y small r. Capital Y capital R is for yellow round seed. And capital Y and small r is for yellow wrinkled seed. Small y capital R is for green round seed, and small y Small r is for green pumpkin seed. Then he hybridized